Hello students, today we are going to draw a molecular orbital energy level diagram for oxygen molecule, that is carbon monoxide molecule. The molecular orbital structure of carbon monoxide was given by or explained by Colson. In Colson's structure, it is assumed that both carbon and oxygen atom are in sp hybrid state. Okay, so now let's draw molecular energy level diagram for CO molecule. Before that, we write the electronic configuration of carbon and oxygen molecule. Here you can see that the X of carbon having atomic number 6 is electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz0. Similarly, oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1. Now this 1s orbital does not participate in bonding because this is inner orbital. So this 2s2, 2px2, 2py and 2pz orbital are participate in bonding. Okay, now we know that there is one rule for drawing molecular orbital diagram, that is, if so total we have 6 plus 8, that is 14 electron. If there is a 14 electron, then there is sp mixing takes place. Okay, so here sp mixing takes place. So let's draw the molecular orbital diagram. Now this orbital, this is the energy pole for carbon and this energy pole is for oxygen. Okay, so here are the atomic orbital of carbon, these are the atomic orbital of oxygen. Okay, and both this atomic orbital combines to form molecular orbital of CO molecule. Okay, so this is the 1s orbital of carbon and this is the 1s orbital of oxygen. So in 1s orbital there are 2 electron, we know that. Similarly in 1s orbital of oxygen there are 2 electron, so let's write this 2 electron. Now 1 2 3 4, we have 4 electron in 1s orbital, so let's put this electron energetically. So the lowest energetic orbital is sigma 1s, so here we put single electron, then pairing, also we put single electron and then pairing. So this 4 electron we put in sigma 1s and sigma star 1s orbital. Then next move to 2s orbital. As you can see that the energy of carbon atomic orbital is higher compared to energy of atomic orbital of oxygen. You can also see here the energy of 2s orbital for oxygen is lower as compared to energy of 2s orbital for carbon. Here in 2s orbital 2 electrons are present. Now we have 4 electron, so let's put this electron energetically. Here the lowest energetic orbital is sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. So first single electron, then pairing, single electron and then pairing. So we put here 4 electron. Now let's move to main part of our molecular orbital diagram. Here we have 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. So in x orbital there is a single electron, in y orbital there is a single electron for carbon, and for oxygen it is 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay, so here are 2 electrons, here are 1 electron, and in z orbital there are 1 electron. So we have totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron, and we have to put this 6 electron in these energy levels. As you can see that there is total 14 electron present in CO molecule. So sp mixing takes place. What happened in sp mixing? The energy of 2px and the energy of 2py and pi 2px is lower as compared to sigma 2pz. Okay, when there is sp mixing takes place, the energy of pi molecular orbital is lower compared to sigma. So we have total 6 electron. Now let's put the electron energetically in lower orbital 1 2. Okay, then pairing 1 2. We write here 1 2 3 4 electron. Now 2 electrons are remaining. So after that the lowest energy orbital is sigma 2pz. Then we put 1 and then pairing. This type we put 6 electron in this lower energetic orbital. So we don't have electron, we do not put electron in antibonding orbital. So this is the bonding molecular orbital, and this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Similarly, these are the bonding molecular orbital and these are the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now let's calculate the bond order. So bond order is equal to number of bonding molecular orbit electron and number of antibonding molecular electron divided by 2. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bonding electron and 1 2 3 4 antibonding molecular electron. So 6 by 2 we get 3. So this 3 indicate that in carbon monoxide molecule it has triple bond. Okay, so this is the energy level diagram for CO molecule. Now symbolically we can write the MO structure as sigma 1s2. The energy of sigma 1s2 is lower compared to sigma star 1s2. Okay, so the energy of sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, the energy of sigma star 2s2, it is more than this due to sp mixing. Pi 2px and pi 2py have lower energy compared to sigma 2pz. Okay, then we can write pi 2px2 is equally pi 2py energy, then energy of sigma 2pz2, then comes pi star 2px nearly equal to pi star 2py and sigma star 2pz. We can represent this symbolically. Now we are going to draw molecular energy diagram for NO molecule, that is nitric oxide. Okay, so we have nitrogen and oxygen in this molecule. Now let's draw the electronic configuration of nitrogen and oxygen molecule. So 7 electron, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Similarly for oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay, now we know that total there is a 7 plus 8, 15 electron. As you know the rule for sp mixing, that is when there is a electron 15 electron or above 14 electron present in any molecule, sp mixing is not occur. Okay, when there is electron below 14 electron is present, then sp mixing is occur. What happened in sp mixing we can see. Now let's draw a molecular energy level diagram for NO molecule. This is the energy pole for nitrogen molecule and this is the energy pole for oxygen molecule. These are AOs, that is atomic orbital of nitrogen, and these are atomic orbital of oxygen, and they combine to form molecular orbital of nitric oxide. Okay, so here is a 1s2 and 1s2 orbital of nitrogen and oxygen. There are 2 electrons present in each 1s2 orbital. Total we have 4 electrons. Let's put this 4 electron energetically in. So the lowest energetic orbital is sigma 1s, first electron and then pairing. Now 2 electrons remaining. These 2 electrons enter into sigma star 1s orbital. So in sigma 1s orbital there are 2 electrons. This is bonding molecular orbital. Okay, and this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So 2 electron present in bonding molecular orbital and 2 electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now there is a 2s orbital. Here are 2 electron, also 2s electron. There are so 2 and 2. Total we have 4 electron. Similarly, we put this 4 electron energetically. First we put single electron and then pairing. After that we put 2 electron in higher energetic orbital, that is sigma star 2s. So we put here 2 electron. Now in sigma 2s there are 2 electron and sigma star 2s there are 2 electron. These are bonding molecular orbital and these are anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, now the main part of molecular energy level diagram is this. Okay, as you know the rule that when there is a electron above 14 means 15, 16 or 17, then sp mixing not occur. What happen in that case? When sp mixing is not occur, the energy of sigma to px is lower as compared to pi to py and pi to pz orbital. Okay, now we have here 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1 orbital of nitrogen, and here 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1 orbital of oxygen. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and total 7 electron, and we have to put this 7 electron in this energy orbital. So first we put electron in lower energetic orbital, that is sigma 2px. Let's put single electron, then pairing. Okay, now electron goes into higher energetic orbital. So here the higher energetic orbital is pi 2 py. Now let's put one electron in here and one here, then pairing 1 2. Now we put this 6 electron. Now we have one electron remaining, so this one electron goes to sigma 2p orbital. So here is a one electron. That's it. You can see that one electron enter into pi star 2p y orbital. So these are bonding molecular orbital and these are anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, now let's calculate the bond order of we have formula number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bonding electron. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 and 5 anti-bonding electron divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. This indicates that the nitrogen contain double bond with oxygen with one radical. Okay, so what is, or one single unpaired electron, that is this electron. So this electron shows that in NO, that is nitric oxide molecule, it is paramagnetic in nature because there is a single unpaired electron present. Okay, now let's draw this molecular orbital energy symbolically. Okay, how can we write it symbolically? First, let's write the lowest energetic molecule, that is sigma 1s2. Okay, so in higher energy sigma star 1s2. After that the more energetically is sigma 2s2. After that more energetic is sigma star 2s2. Then sigma star 2px2. Okay, so sigma 2px2. After that pi 2py2 and pi 2pz2. So pi 2py2 is nearly equal to pi 2pz2. After that more energetically is pi star 2py1. Remember that in pi star 2py there is a one electron present. These are similar in energy. After that, these are similar in energy. After that pi star 2pz, and after that sigma star 2px.